Today I am on Glacier Point in Yosemite National Park, along with my son, Parker, who's cold. It is 29 degrees this morning. But we are hiking the Panorama Trail today. Panorama Trail takes you by 3 waterfalls, right? It's one of the few trails that you'll find that actually starts with a view. You can see Half Dome right there. Looking at maybe 8 to 10 miles. We're gonna have to hike into Curry Village to get our ride back out of here. Mostly downhill, but there's some uphill. We lose about 3,000 feet today. You ready? Mm-hmm. He's excited. Let's do it. So the views of Half Dome over the first portion of this trail are quite outstanding. We've probably gone, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile so far, and nothing but Half Dome. 2.5 miles or so in, you arrive at the lookout for Illilouette Falls. It's pretty scary up here. You're crazy. You can go out that way, but I don't plan to. Interesting is how little bit of water is coming in from the top and how it spreads out at the bottom. Just looks like there's an expansion of water.
It's impressive, but you can't see the bottom of
it. So we just ran across this weird bird, half turkey, half grouse, half chicken. I'm gonna call it turkey grouse chicken, but it was weird. It was kind of strutted around like a turkey. Had some disgusting looking yellow areas on its chest. Almost looked like gills. Never quite seen anything quite like that before. So we arrived at this metal footbridge crossing the river. Don't fall in the river, you turn into spaghetti. According to the sign. So be careful. So we arrived at a lookout. I guess we're 4.5 miles in or so, but you can see the backside of Half Dome. You can see the valley. You can see Yosemite Falls, and up there's Glacier Point. Got through the uphill section, flat for a while, and there's more outstanding views of Half Dome, backside of Half Dome actually, so it's hardly recognizable. We made it to the top of Nevada Falls. There's a footbridge. There is a viewpoint over there we're going to go to. So we just went down to the overlook on Nevada Falls. It was scary. but you can see, you look over the railing, you can see the falls. It's scary. So we made it to our first view of Nevada Falls. Going down these treacherous switchback steps. Holy cow. They're covered in dirt. And the steps are angled downward, so it's like designed to make you fall. So we arrived at the Silver Apron. Really fast rock slide. It's prohibited. We'll go down here and check it out though. It goes down into the Emerald Pool. We made it to the top of Vernal Falls. There. Look out right up here. Lots of people. Look down. You can see, if you look down, you can see the people on the Muir Trail down there. So we arrived at the mist version of the Muir Trail. See behind me. We made it to the Vernal Falls footbridge, and there is a water station at the Vernal Falls footbridge. You don't find that in the Smokies. After passing the footbridge, the trail becomes paved and it's very steep downhill. Kind of hard on the knees actually. Lots of people still, but we can smell victory. We made it to the Mist Trailhead. You did it, bro.
Uh-huh.
High five. Panorama Trail in the books.
It was easy.
Woo! We made it.
Yeah.
Thanks for attending another episode of Adam's Trail Mix. So this just happened.
Right on the camera lens, too.
Busted. That's gonna kill me. Yeah, I broke the GoPro. Sorry, Oz. Broke your GoPro. Broke the GoPro, bro. So we just passed the No Shirt Club. Did you see the No Shirt Club?
Uh-huh.
We chose to not join the said No Shirt Club. We tried to get half dome permits, but the National Park Service took our money and didn't give us a permit, so we may sue.